So what is up guys, this is General Rotten here, and today I just thought about upgrading my smartphone. It has been 4 years since I have been using this, the Samsung Galaxy A52s. If I can just make it focus on this phone, yeah. So as you can see, I have been using this phone, and you can see the screen protectors condition. You can see this was the white color that I had bought, and if I show you the coolest part about this phone now, it is disassemblable. I don't know how the adhesive became so weak, but it did, and now this is the condition of that phone, as you can see. So I had thought an upgrade was long due, and I have been in the Samsung community for about 4.5 years. You can even see the cameras. Look at that. So I have been in the Samsung community for about 4 years, and I thought that switching to anything other than Samsung would not be up to my taste. So I decided to switch to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, as you can see. I got this as a pretty good discount. Actually, in India, on the 4th of July, Amazon was hosting its Prime Day sale, so I got it at the Prime Day sale. So without any further ado, let's unbox this one. So firstly, in the cover letter we get some papers. We get this SIM ejector tool. We get this user manual, and we get this type C to type C Samsung cable. So this was all the inbox contents. Let me just put that aside and we'll come to the main show. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me just peel the cover. Just a heads up guys, this was an open box delivery, so I had to get the order opened. So it's not anything new at this point. I even applied a screen protector to it, and I even got a cover for it. This is the Speed & Tough Armor cover, as you guys can see. The Speed & Tough Armor cover, that's what I think it was named. Yeah, I don't remember the name exactly. You can see I had ordered the blue color. I'll just skip those IMEI numbers. As you can see guys, I have lost the anti-reflective coating, but I do prefer that my screen remains intact. So let us just switch on this phone. So yeah guys, let me just tell you, I have had this phone for about 4 days now, so I have had some chance to use it. I've been using it for the past 4 days, so it is pretty much set up. Let me just apply the cover and show you guys how it looks in it. As you can see, it's a pretty good fit. There is even a good slot for the S Pen. And what I've heard is guys, that what I've heard about this case in general is that I've heard that it has got that magnets in there, and the S Pen generally works fine with it. unless, as you can see, there is no magnet interaction. I have heard it only happens when you have a MagFit accessory attached to it, so it reacts at that point. I have set up this phone already. As you can see, this phone is already set up. Now about my review, let me just show you the battery life that I have been getting. It is pretty crazy. See guys, as you can see, today's usage, I don't know how it's possible, but yeah, I am also surprised to say that this is what has been happening for the past 2 days. For 30% of, and I mean, my usage is not that crazy as you can see, but still, it is pretty interesting to see such a great screen, such a great screen on time on a battery of 5000 mAh. And you know, nowadays we have Chinese phone makers with the batteries of 7000, 6000 mAh. So it was, yes, pretty surprising. Now about the camera performance, I will make a dedicated video on that, and if you want, I can compare it to my Canon 90D. If you guys would like it, I can compare it to my camera. Just let me know in the comment section if you guys want that, and I will make it possible. I will see what I can do. So yeah, overall the initial hands-on review is pretty good. It's the best Samsung screen out there. You know, with the recent Galaxy S26 Ultra, I think that the anti-reflective coating has also taken a bit of an hit, and also the viewing angles are not as good as you get in this one. Currently I'm rocking this at the full QHD resolutions, and I've also set the motion smoothness to adaptive. So yeah, I'm using it fully. I've set it to auto brightness dark mode, and I've also set up some routines. As you can see, I've set up some basic routines, like the one for battery. If my battery reaches below 30%, it starts this routine, and also for the internet connection and Wi-Fi. So yeah, some basic tweaks I have done. I have also not done any customization as of yet. The phone is pretty much in stock condition. But yeah, I did do one thing, was that in the Good Lock app, I have done this customization in my home up screen, if I remember it correctly. It just basically smooths up the animation, and it's pretty good. It was a pretty good find. So yeah, I will make a detailed video. Yeah, I have set my recent stars to this aspect ratio, since I find it much better like this. So yeah guys, this was it about the initial review. This is what the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra feels like. It still feels pretty solid in 2026. There is no complaints. The phone feels solid, it feels reliable, and yeah, overall I'll be posting my full-time review about this phone in just 2 or 3 months. In the meantime, if you guys want me to make a comparison video between this phone and my DSLR camera, I mean, my camera is not that high end, but it still gets the job done. It is still an APS-C sensor, so it would be interesting to see them compared to each other. So yeah, if you guys would like that, share it in the comment section. Let's see if this video gets 1000 likes, then we can make that video possible. All right, that will be all for this video, guys. Hope you guys like it. Share, comment, subscribe, and enjoy, guys. Thank you very much.